Right, where was we?
Shotguns. What, like guns that fire shot?
Oh, you must be the brains in. That's right, guns that fire shots.
Chill, Winston.
Oh, don't worry about it. Everything's going to be cushy.
Very nice, Harry. What's it for?
86 carats.
Where?
London.
London.
London? Yes, London. You know, fish, chips, cup of tea, bad food, worse weather, merry poppins, London. You got a toothbrush? We're going to London. Do you hear that, Doug? I'm coming to London.
It's worked out that everything could work out very, very cushy.
You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off.